KPIT Technologies Limited, popularly known as KPIT, is an Indian multinational corporation headquartered in Pune, an independent software integration company specialized in embedded software, artificial intelligence, and digital solutions. Their vision is to carry the mobility ecosystem forward towards an autonomous, cleaner, smarter, and connected future. KPIT helps their customer to go from design to production. They are specialized in application software, middleware devices, drivers, basic software platform, and other aspects of software. At the same time, they are the software integrator covering prototype development, actual software development, validation, and testing. Only embedded software company with deep domain expertise across 4 domains: connected, autonomous, shared, and electrified. Their main focus is on automotive and mobility industries. They have their presence throughout the world in Germany, USA, Japan, India, Korea, and China. KPIT receives an important strategic deal from BMW Group for the next generation charging electronic program. Eaton. Power management company Eaton closes KPIT as a strategic partner to support the development of next generation electrified mobility technologies for its e-mobility business unit. KPIT as a R&D unit in Maharashtra. KPIT Integrated Test Environment is a cloud-based test automation testing platform for an end-to-end integrated subsystem testing. It is used to improve test productivity using scriptless automation. The total R&D expenditure for FY19 was 5.8 crores and for FY20 was 25 crores. Revenue by geography. The company earns about 41% of its revenue from USA, 39% from Europe, and 20% from the rest of the world. Especially Germany, which has been the leading growth engine of KPIT. Germany is the epicenter of the future technologies of the mobility. And Asia, led by Japan, is another solid growth area for the company. Risk. Since KPIT derives its revenue from the auto sector with its top 17 customers contributing about 84% of its revenue in Q2 financial year 20. So slowdown in the auto segment or decrease in technology spending by its top client can have a significant bearing on its growth. KPIT revenue has grown by 18.3% year on year and a net profit by 30%. This is a slight increase in EBITDA, that is 17.3% when it's compared to last quarter, 17.2%. And the net profit for the quarter was 602 million. Revenue for the quarter 1 was 77.2 million with a growth of 4.3%. The net cash at the quarter end was 8,786 million. KPIT is a debt-free company. KPIT stock price has shot up more than 190% in last 1 year.
Thank you for making up to the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful. Stay safe.